Good morning everyone. My name is Pooja Rathore, nursing tutor of Index Nursing College. Today's my topic is water. Introduction of water. Water is one of the most important resources on the planet. Without water, life cannot exist. But what makes water so important? Water has several unique characteristics that make it an extremely valuable resource. Some such properties of water are listed below. Definition of water. Water synthesized in the body as a result of oxidation of fat, protein, and carbohydrate, about 200 ml per day. फंक्शन ऑफ वाटर. क्या क्या फंक्शन है वाटर के? रेगुलेट बॉडी टेम्परेचर. क्या करता है? बॉडी टेम्परेचर को रेगुलेट करता है. मॉइस्टिंग टिश्यू इन द आईज, नोज एंड माउथ. प्रोटेक्ट बॉडी ऑर्गन एंड टिश्यू. कैरीज न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड ऑक्सीजन टू सेल्स. लुब्रिकेट जॉइंट्स. Essential component of water. Water is one of the nature's precious gift to making all living things consist mostly of water. Example, the human body is of two-thirds of water. It is clear calories liquid that appears blue when viewed through a thickness of 20 feet. The color reflects not only from physical cause but also from suspended impurities. The freezing point of water is 0 degree centigrade and its boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. Water is the most essential component of life, is vital for sustenance. The importance of water in our diet is apparent as it helps body to perform specific metabolic tasks and regulates in is similar to that of cell protoplasm. There is no doubt that water is everywhere and is very important to our earth and the life inhabiting it. Water contains no calorie and is a significant factor is losing weight. It is the key component in determining the quality of our lives and is a universal solvent. Distribution of water in the body. Distribution of water in the body. Water is the largest constituent of the body. The average body water is 60 to 70% of the total body weight. Female contain a little less amount of water than males. Intracellular fluid, the fluid within the cells, contains 50% of the total body weight. फंक्शन ऑफ वाटर. क्या क्या फंक्शन होते हैं वाटर के? ट्रांसपोर्ट्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स थ्रू द बॉडी. वंस अ सब्सटेंस इज dissolved in water, water becomes vital for transporting it throughout the body. Moistens eyes, mouth, and nose. Water is needed for protection as well. It keeps your mouth moist and washes away dirt and grime on your eyes. Participates in many chemical reactions as a chemical reactant. Water is involved in many processes and pathways of the body. Helps maintain normal body temperature. Next है reduce chances of kidney stones. Increased water intake appears to decrease the risk of kidney stone. Composition of body fluids. Composition: plasma, lymph, interstitial fluid, intracellular fluid, extracellular fluid, exchange of water in the body, and electrolyte. First, lymph. Protein help keep the body healthy and repair skin that breaks down when tissue swells. It also keeps connective tissue in your body strong. Therefore, increasing your daily protein intake to 1.2 grams and 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight would be beneficial for. Then plasma. Plasma क्या करता है? Blood plasma also contain protein which help in the transportation of glucose and other nutrients to different part of the body. Plasma in blood help in the regulation of body temperature and is also responsible for controlling blood pressure. Plasma is referred to as the matrix of blood. Interstitial fluid. It is the presumed that interstitial fluid has very little protein and it has a crystalloid composition similar to that of plasma. Intracellular fluid. Intracellular fluid. Human nutrition contains human nutrition fluid within the cells that are usually high in potassium and phosphate. Extracellular fluid. The extracellular fluid provides the medium for the exchange of substance between the ECF and the cells, and disease can take place through dissolving, mixing and transporting in the fluid medium. Substances in the ECF include dissolved gases, nutrients and electrolytes, all needed to maintain life. Exchange of water in the body. Water is essential for cellular homeostasis because it transports nutrients to cells and remove wastage from cells. It is the medium in which all transport systems function, allowing exchange between cells, interstitial fluid, and capillaries. Electrolytes. Electrolytes are substances that conduct electricity when they dissolve in water. In food and drink, electrolytes are present in the form of essential minerals. Examples of electrolyte include calcium chloride, magnesium phosphate, a form of phosphorus, potassium, and sodium. Regulation of body water and electrolyte. There are three hormones that play key role in regulating fluid and electrolyte balance. Antidiuretic hormone released from the posterior pituitary, aldosterone secreted from the adrenal cortex, arterial nutrient peptide produced by the heart. Thank you.